Look here. Holly, how old are you?
7.
What's your boyfriend's name?
I got 2 of them.
Who are they?
I'm not telling.
Why?
Because you never told me your boyfriend did it.
Let's see.
I'll tell you why. Because you never told me your boyfriend's name.
Sue. Yucko.
You just can't tell us. You know why?
Get Pussy and I'll take her picture.
Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. There, get Pussin. Get Pussin. Don't run for her. Just walk to her. Say, here, kitty, kitty. Now grab her collar. Be real quiet and grab her collar. Okay, now come, bring her over here. Oh. Kitty, kitty.
Hey, Pussy. It's Pussin! Oh, Choke City.
Come on.
Yeah, this is all on film.
Come on. Come on. I'm gonna try to get a picture of both of y'all. I'm gonna get a picture.
Holly, that looks great on film.
I'm trying to get a picture. Down! Go down! Don't let her escape. I don't care. Catch her.
That's gonna look great, Holly.
What? You are a little tiny booger. Look at